Become a reading for sign of Taurus. All I need to know moving forward. So let's start. Happy birthday month to all of you. So what's happening in your life? Let's take 3 cards for you, then 3 cards for your person, and then we can move on to your connection. What is happening with Taurus currently? Right now with the Chariot card, you guys are very focused on moving forward. When I say moving forward, it could mean following your dreams, chasing your dreams, wanting to have a goal in mind, like wanting to get somewhere, having a time, like a time slot in how many months you want to get somewhere. Some of you might also want to travel or have to travel. I also see promotions for some of you. Okay, with Nine of Cups, overall, I see your month going really good. Okay, in terms of your other life, what is happening, Taurus? I believe for some of you with Ten of Cups, your relationships might not be very, very happening. Like your relationships might not be very, very fulfilling, but that doesn't mean your life is, empty and full of sorrow. No, but your other life, overall life is going forward. But when it comes to relationships, marriages, loving relationships, that is suffering a bit. Okay, in terms of your soulmate, what is happening? In terms of your soulmate connection, what is happening? Some of you might be like in an unhappy marriage. Okay, with the Empress card, whosoever you're connected with, I believe you want to stay there, you want to move forward, you want to work things out. I don't see you wanting to quit on that person, wanting to give up on that person. Some of you might be connecting with the Libra, Cancer, possible Scorpio. Okay, and some of you even Aries. Okay, so these are the signs I see for now. Some of you might be connecting with someone else altogether. Doesn't have to be this all signs I've mentioned, but whosoever you're with, I see you wanting to work things out with that person. In terms of your person, what is happening with them? In terms of your person, what is happening with them? I believe with Eight of Wands, it fell at the side. It tells me that your person isn't communicating much. Communication could be blocked, or this person isn't replying to your messages, not being very open. If you are in relationship with this person, you feel something strange about this person. They are not really opening up much, hiding things from you, not really very passionate like they used to be with you once. Some of them could be very focused on their money, finances. Okay, but if you are in a third party, the reason why your person isn't giving in much could be because they're giving into the other person. Okay, one more card as to how are they thinking about you now, how thinking about you now. With Seven of Wands, this person isn't completely letting you in their life. Okay, this person is kind of like blocking you, or keeping you, or maintaining distance from you. At this very current moment, I see resistance from like coming from your person's side. Besides their love life, like what's happening in their overall life. With Knight of Swords, I see this person very focused, like wanting to get somewhere. This person could be very much focused on their work life right now. They do not have much time for their love life. I feel personally this person is very, very goal oriented. Someone who wants to, be very focused on what they believe in and where they want to get. Okay, right now they might not be giving in much into your love life, or not really providing much or working things out with you, but that doesn't mean they're giving up on you. I see certain amount of resistance, but I do not see any sort of wrong thing happening. In terms of their feelings towards you now, in terms of their feelings towards you now, we have the Fool card. So I see this person wanting to go with the flow. Okay, this person is not really very, very focused on you, but at the same time they're not giving up on you either. I see this person going with the flow, not really thinking much. With Seven of Cups, they could also be a bit confused. Okay, if they have multiple options, they could be wanting to take their sweet time before deciding on you. Okay, so if you know of a third party, that is, if you know, or if you hint, or if you possibly doubt a third party, then the reason why they're not approaching you is because they're wanting to make a decision before coming to you. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards Taurus? In terms of intentions, I see them holding on but holding back as well. So not really giving in much into this connection, but at the same time holding on to you, not really giving up on you. Okay, but I do not see them giving into this connection. Okay, or giving to the connection. Okay, one card for the major blockage that's getting in the way. What's really getting in the way for Taurus and their person? Yeah, we have Knight of Pentacles in the reverse, which tells me that a person has been very, very slow. They haven't taken fast action, and that will be very much bothering you. And this person has been delaying a lot of process. Okay, like they have been wanting to get to you, but they have always, possibly postponing dates, possibly not really putting in that sort of effort that you want them to put. Okay, so for now, where is this connection going for Taurus? For now, where is this connection going for Taurus? With Nine of Pentacles, if you guys are in a relationship, I do not see it sailing smooth. Okay, I see some problems when it comes to relationships. But if it's financially, I see your life going really good. Okay, but if it's emotionally, I do not see that sort of balance in your relationships. For now, what can you expect from your person? For now, what can Taurus expect from their person? With Page of Swords, I do not see a person putting in that sort of effort, but I do not see a person giving up too. Okay, so what do they want with you long term, if I may ask? Well, with long term, they do think of investing in this connection, but mind you, this person is not focused on the bigger picture. Like, say suppose you want to get married or you want to have a family, they haven't really thought a long term. They are going one step at a time, one day at a time, not really focused on the long term future. So if you're very much into that long term planning and all, this might not be your person, to be honest. They are wanting to hold on to you, but they are rather more focused on their finances right now. Okay, so what do they want from you currently? What do they really want from you currently? Yeah, with the Hierophant in the reverse, I do not see this person wanting to commit or wanting to have a strong long-term, plan as to where this is going. They want to go with the flow. I do not see this person giving you commitment, but that doesn't mean they do not love you or have feelings for you. It's just that this person isn't ready for something solid. Okay, so let's move on to spirit messages. What do you need to know about your connection? What does Taurus need to know about their connection, spirit? We have new beginning. Let's forget the past and start new. So I do believe that your person, if they have possibly disappointed you in the past, they might still want to work things out long term, but I do not see a solid effort from their end, or them really seriously putting in everything they've got to push this connection forward. I do not see that sort of effort. I gotta be honest with you. Okay, one more card. Mixed feelings. Don't trust their feelings. Just like I told you, this person is not entirely focused on this relationship. Okay, one last card for where this is going for now. Won't give commitment, won't let you go either. Narcissist, just like I told you, they are not ready for a commitment, but they won't let you go either. They are holding on but not giving in. Just like I told you, this very much resonates with the tarot cards here. So that was your reading. But if you want a person who you wanting to commit and wanting to have a long-term future, this might not be the person, because this one you're connected with is very much focused on their finances and their long-term future, or their career. Okay, and that could very much get in the way. Okay, so if you could resonate with this reading, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, comment if you liked the video or you liked the way I read. My readings are always going to be raw and straightforward. I don't sugarcoat shit. Okay, so if you want a personal reading with me, please reach out to my website, book one that fits best for you. There are like 4-5 options on there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers and happy birthday month.